So if you're coming to Roatan and you're a Marine or you're traveling with a Marine, don't worry. They have snacks for everybody. Welcome to Roatan Honduras. We're in the port right now. The port's a relatively small port. There's a handful of shops. You do have behind me at the very end 2 bars with seating. There's about 7 or 8 different restaurants and bars here. You can get massages right here on the water. It's really cool. It's just a nice little small port. So if you're planning on not doing an excursion, you want to kill some time in the port, you're not gonna have much time to kill. We've been here for about 30 minutes now and have been in every store and have walked from one end, working our way back. But we were greeted by some local musicians and singers, which is really cool as well. There are 2 places to take pictures with the Roatan sign, one at the front when you get off of the ship. If you make your way all the way to the end, there's one where you'll be able to get a good picture of you with the Roatan sign and the entire cruise ship. If you want to relax on the beach, they have a beach right here with some hammocks that are over the water as well. You can just sit here and listen to some music, grab a drink from the local bar, grab some food from a local cantina, and just enjoy your vacation. Well, that's cool. If you make a purchase at the Tiki Bar, you can hang out at the beach for free. You get a drink and relax and enjoy your vacation and not be upcharged, which is really rare when you go on vacation. So we're grabbing something to eat at the Cantina Latina, and here is our menu. They do have more finger food on the back. So if you're coming to the port and you're looking for the excursions, you're looking to take a taxi, when you come off of the ship, you want to look for the coffee factory. Go back past the coffee factory and it'll take you to zones 1 to 7. It'll take you to the area where they're having the shore tours and where you can get the taxis. But that completes our time at the port of Roatan. Let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. What you think about some of the stuff here? It's pretty cool, huh? Even she liked it. And that's coming from a teenager.